Hello everyone. I would like to share with you another project that I just finished. I had lots of food packaging, so I collected those ones with similar sizes, cut all of them to approximately one size. As you can see, this is a different kind of food packaging. There's pizza and oatmeal and tomatoes and I don't know what else. So just cut it to the size. The part that has the text over it or pictures, I actually only glued a wrapping paper over it, different kind of wrapping papers that I have. And then I did some painting. This is the offside that was plain, not the one that is covered with the wrapping. I forgot to take a video or pictures of those of the other side. So I did some kind of like painting, abstract collaging painting. I don't know how to name it. Both sides, and then each page I connected together the pages with piece of fabric. I glued them together so I could create signatures. Here I'm showing you the cover. I made the buttons from the toilet paper. I will make a video of how I was making those buttons because it was already requested before. So here you can see how I assembled it. There are 4 signatures together. As I said, pages are connected with a piece of fabric, and then I created signatures and just sewed them into the cover. I was inspired by a Belgian crafter or artist. I think her name is Sophie de Court. I will see if she has a YouTube channel. I follow her on Instagram and I will put her link below. She's making similar type. She's using different kind of pastels, paints, I don't know what else, and I am just using some cheap acrylic and gouache paints that I have around, and some white and black pen. I think that was all that I used for drawing and painting. Here I just wanted to show for those ones who would be using it, because this will be later on for sale. You can use it maybe as album. You can put pictures in. What I would recommend to maybe use some under paper under the pictures, so it creates kind of a frame, so it's more separated from the background, or just draw white or black line around the photo, so it's a little bit more outlined and separated from the back. You can add some stickers or something if you want to add some text into it, so it could be used as an album. If you want to use it as a journal for writing and you don't want to write over the pages, or you want to have them still visible, here I just grabbed some signature that I have there that I'm working on for a journal. So you just have the signature, or just simple paper, single paper, fold the paper, something. So, and you can just attach it to a page with washi tape or whatever tape, you know, and then you get that extra flap that I'm showing. And you have there a journaling space, you know, so you can do that and attach more journaling space into it. So that is all. Thank you for watching. I hope you will get inspired and have fun.